Hello. Good morning. Am I at the right spot to fly somewhere?
Good morning. Yes, welcome to Skyport. It's a great time to travel. Where are you going?
Oh, nice. I'm heading to Paris today.
Cool. Can I see your travel papers, please?
Sure, here they are.
Thanks. Are you giving any bags to check?
Yes, I have one big bag to give.
Okay. Do you have a small bag to carry on?
Yes, I have this little backpack.
Please put your big bag on the weight machine.
All right, I'm doing it now.
Do you want a seat by the window or the middle path?
I'd like a window seat, please.
Here's your travel ticket.
Thank you so much for helping me. Which gate should I go to?
Your gate is number 10.
Thanks. I'll head there now.
Excuse me, where is the check-in area?
It's over there on the right side.
Can you assist me, please?
Yes, of course. What do you need help with?
Where can I see the flight list?
The flight list is right behind you.
Is my trip to Vienna on time?
Yes, it's not late.
Do you know where gate B3 is?
Yes, go straight and turn left.
Can I leave my bag here to check?
Yes, this is the right spot.
Do I need to remove my watch?
Yes, please put it in the tray. Can you keep your jacket on?
No, I'll take it off.
Do you need to take your laptop out of the bag?
Yes, I'll do that.
What about drinks like juice?
I can't take that juice, right? Is this the right line for Dublin?
Yes, you're in the correct one.
What time is it now?
It's 10 o'clock in the morning.
How many bags can I check?
You can check 2 bags. Is that bag okay to carry on?
Yes? Is this size good?
Yes, it's the right size.
Where are the bathrooms, please?
They're just around the corner.
Can I get a tea somewhere?
Yes, there's a small shop near gate 6.
Where is our gate?
Our gate is C8.
Is it far?
No, it's a 5-minute walk.
Let's check the screen again.
Good idea. I want to see the time.
Do we have time for a quick bite?
Yes, you have about 20 minutes.
I need to find my travel ticket.
It's in your jacket pocket.
Can I see your ticket?
Yes, here it is. We have seats together. What's your seat number?
My seat is 18B. Can I charge my phone here?
Yes, there are plugs over there.
Do you have your travel papers ready?
Yes, I'm holding them.
They're calling our seat numbers.
Okay, let's join the line.
Can you help me find my spot?
Yes, your spot is right here.
Can I put my bag up there?
Yes, there's room for it.
Could you move your hat, please?
Sure, I'll move it now.
Is it okay to use your phone now?
No, please turn it off for takeoff.
Can I switch seats with you?
Sorry, I like my window spot.
Is it okay to lean your seat back?
Yes, I can do that now.
Can I have a cup of water, please?
Yes, I'll get it for you.
Are there any treats?
Yes, we have cakes or nuts.
Could I have a blanket?
Yes, here you go.
What time do we get there?
We'll arrive at 3 p.m. local time.
Where is the restroom on the plane?
It's at the back.
Can I have earphones?
Sure, I'll get them for you.
Excuse me, could I have another cushion?
Yes, I'll bring one.
My screen isn't working.
I can fix it for you.
I feel a bit cold.
I can bring an extra blanket.
When will the food come?
We'll serve lunch in about 30 minutes.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes. A lemon drink, please?
Do you want ice in it?
No, thank you. No ice.
Are you going for work or fun?
I'm going for fun.
Is this your first time in Rome?
Yes, it's my first trip.
What's the weather like in Berlin?
I think it's cool and wet. How long is the trip?
It's about 2 hours.
Do you want to see a film?
Yes, that sounds fun.
Can I tell you the time, please?
Yes, it's now 4 o'clock.
The pilot is talking now.
I can't hear. He said we're landing soon.
Oh, good. I'm ready to get off.
Please put on your seatbelt.
Okay, it's on now.
Please lift your seat up.
I'm doing it now.
Do I need to fill out this paper?
Yes, everyone must do it.
Can I use your pen?
Yes, here it is.
What do you write for your place?
I can write my hotel name.
The plane has landed.
That was a nice landing.
Do you have all your things?
Yes, I have my papers and bag.
Let's leave the plane.
Okay, where do we get our bags?
We go to the bag area.
Which number is our flight?
Our flight is on belt number 3.
I see my bag. It's the blue one.
Great. I'm still looking for mine.
Can you help me lift my bag?
Sure, it looks heavy.
My bag isn't here.
Let's go to the lost bag office.
Do you have all your bags?
Yes, I have my big bag and carry-on.
How do we reach the town center?
We can take a van or a car ride.
Is the van stop far?
No, it's just outside the door. Does this van go to the city?
Yes, this is the airport fast van.
How much is a car ride to the hotel?
It's about $40.
Is someone meeting you here?
Yes, my cousin is waiting.
I need to find the car rental place.
The signs say it's on the floor above.
Well, this is my stop. Nice to meet you.
You too. Have a great break.
Thanks. Enjoy your trip too.
Let's find a car ride now.
Okay, the car stand is over there.
Do you need any help?
No, I'm good. Thank you.
Bye, and have a safe trip.
Thank you. You too. Goodbye.